They pass through mountains and run under our cities. Tunnels. They're like underground arteries. They allow rail lines to connect an entire country. Everything starts with a precast concrete segment. As part of a ring, it is essential to building tunnels safely for the railway that will connect Palermo, Catania and Messina in Sicily. Segment production is done next to the worksite. This improves efficiency in both time and distance. All of this is thanks to Roboplant, a factory that is one of a kind in automation, safety and sustainability. Its precision is second to none in everything from preparing the concrete mix, pouring it into the formwork, curing the segment and performing quality control. Every segment is certified and tagged before being sent to the tunnel. It is an innovative factory. It uses robots, automated systems, digital processes. It is safer, more sustainable, and it produces segments of the highest quality. Robots perform the heaviest and most dangerous tasks. This guarantees worker safety. It also increases productivity by 250%. The rate of production is without precedent. It takes just 4 minutes to produce a segment. It is a factory that sets new standards in sustainability. It recycles 70% of the water it uses and captures, and it produces 40% of its energy needs. Roboplant. It is the model that Webuild plans to replicate as the group prepares to build more than 300 kilometres of tunnels. Webuild. Innovating for a sustainable future.